So now we are showing you how to place our components on the breadboard. So this white jumper represents the positive, and this yellow jumper represents the positive terminal, the negative terminal of our battery. The white one represents the positive terminal of our battery, and then the yellow one represents the negative terminal of our battery. So what do we do? So we place our positive jumper on the positive rail of our breadboard, and then we place our negative jumper on the negative rail of our breadboard like this. Yes. So now our electricity is in this rail, in this. So where we can put our jumper wire, we can take our power, our positive power, either from these holes which are on the positive rail. So what do we do here? So first of all, we take this is an LED. So an LED is a light emitting diode. So this is our LED. So our LED, as you can see, has two legs. So we have the longer leg, which represents the positive terminal, and the shorter leg, which represents the negative terminal. So we place it here on the breadboard. So we do like this. So this is our breadboard, and we place our positive rail here and our negative rail here. Let me show you. So this is our positive rail here, and this is our negative rail here, which is on this side. So for us, before we connect power to our LED, we have to make sure that we put a resistance on the LED. Why? So that we protect the LED from high current. If we don't use our resistor on this LED, the LED might blow, or the LED might be damaged. So what do we do here? So we take our resistor. So this is our resistor. So take our resistor and we place it here, and then we place also the other leg of our resistor on any point we want on the breadboard, but not on the same row, not on the same row, not on the same row, not on the same row. So we choose another row, which is from here, from these rows, we can choose what we want. So as for me, I've chosen the row number 30. So I've placed my resistor on row number 30, and the row which is the LED. As you can see, we don't place it on the same row. If you place it on the same row, there will be no complete circuit. So we place it here. So once we place it here, then what do we do? First of all, before we connect the negative, we connect the positive. We connect the negative first before we connect. Whenever we are doing our circuits, pesi battery summer circuits edu tinotanga connector from the negative. Why? So that to protect our resistor from power. So to connect a negative redu here, torisa ku negative per negative rail. From here we take it and we place it on the negative rail like this, and then we take another jumper wire. Let me take, so we are using this yellow jumper wire to take from the positive terminal here. We can choose wherever we want to place it. If I place it here and place it, and then I will connect it, I will place it in the same row which has the LED here. So like here, So if I turn on the power, the LED has to light up. As you can see, the LED has light up. This is because our power is moving like this. This is the positive terminal. Famba with this row, which is the positive row. Ichiuya moto wedu kufamba positive row, so tatorera panapa. So we take it from here. The power is taken by this yellow LED and is placed in this row, which is the LED. This row with the LED. So I've switched it off so that you can see. So our power is moving here and it comes here and is taken by this jumper, this orange jumper, into this row, which is the positive leg of the LED. And then the electricity moves into the LED, and then it goes here into the resistor, and then it moves to this jumper wire into the negative terminal, and there is complete circuit. So that's why you see it's lighting up. So the mistakes that most people make is, these are the mistakes. If we do like this, so if we do like this, let me show you. If we do like this, so I want to, if I place this resistor in the same row, which is the LED, let's say like here, and I connect my negative on that same row, you will see that there will be the LED will not glow. Same row. So we don't place them on the same row. So what do? We place them on different rows like this. On different rows. So I have to change this LED and put another one, the new one. So this is the positive rail, negative rail. So I'll put my positive rail here, my negative rail here, and then I do like this. So as we have said, we don't have to put our LED with this resistor on the same row. On the same row, the leg of these both legs of the resistor, they don't have to be placed in the same row. So we choose a different row like this. This different row, and then we put our power is on, and then we put on you can see it too. And so these are most of the problems that we face when we are dealing with electricity. So electricity we face when we are dealing with electricity. So as you can see, our LED is now glowing. So this is how we connect our components on the breadboard. Breadboard redu. So this electronics, so I'll be uploading more videos on. I'll be doing our next video will be on the Ohm's law. So I want you to understand the Ohm's law, what is resistance, what is current, and what is voltage. So thank you very much
for
watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel,
follow and like for more.